Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Tbilisi Central Railway Station. Guess where we are going? Yes, we are going from Tbilisi, Georgia to Batumi, Georgia. And we are going platform number 1. Guys, we missed our ticket from ticket counter, so we are going to ask the train manager to give us the ticket. Let's see what will happen, because we need to go Batumi today. Now we're going to Batumi. This is okay. Georgia's train. We are going train without ticket till now. So funny. We just about to miss the train because of the SIM card. You can see outside. You can see. We are going to Georgian train to Batumi from Tbilisi. This is train. It will take around 5 hours. We are hungry, but we don't have time. Either we need to miss the train, or lunch.
We even don't have SIM card.
Yes, without SIM card.
This is the first time we travel.
Adventurous day from Yerevan to Tbilisi to Batumi without food, without SIM card. Once the train starts moving, you'll immediately feel how smooth and quiet the ride is compared to buses or cars. There are charging points, clean toilets, and sometimes a small snack service on board. As the train moves forward, you'll pass through green valleys and the farmlands, rivers flowing alongside the tracks, forested areas and rolling hills, small towns and rural villages. The journey is all about the changing landscape. And guys, finally we got the 35 Georgian lari ticket. It's a night journey, you won't see much outside, but that's actually the beauty of it. The darkness, soft cabin lights and gentle train movement create a very relaxing vibe. Occasionally you can see city lights while living Tbilisi, lights from small towns and station, reflection on rivers and bridges. This is Tblisi train station. You can see we are just 25 minutes far from Batumi. And one benefit in the night train is it's less crowded. You can enjoy the seats wherever you want to sit, you can sit. After 13 hours of long journey, finally we are at Batumi. It was right, but comfortable journey. You can see my eyes have slept 3 hours.
Dear passengers, we have reached our destination. Please make sure you take all your luggage and belongings with you when leaving the train. Thank you for traveling with Georgian Railways. We hope to see you again soon.
Finally we reached to Batumi around it's 10:39 after 12 hours 13 hours journey. This is Batumi train station.